Pangatlo pong tip, pagka and, this one and this one, plural po yun. Ibig sabihin, ito plus ito. Ang and dito, ang ibig sabihin plus. Who is that? Somebody's trying to get in. Ayan. Okay. So, pag may makita kayong end, isang quantity tapos isang quantity na papagitnaan ng end, ibig sabihin nun plus. Plural po yun. Okay? Pero mamaya may exemption. Tingnan natin yung exemption. The director and the secretary, ibig sabihin, hiwalay yung director, hiwalay yung secretary. Dalawang tao sila. Okay? Parehas may the. Okay? Ayan. So, pag na-identify nyo na dalawang tao yan o dalawang entity yan na hiwalay at pinagdugtong ng end, plural po yun. Okay? The director and the secretary. Okay? Kasi meron din kasing director at the same time secretary siya. Okay? In that case, mawawala yung the. Halimbawa, ganito. The director and secretary, magiging is po yun. Hindi siya hiwalay na tao. Isang tao lang siya. But anyway, ayan po. The laptop and the monitor. Okay? So, dalawang entity po. Plural po yun. Maria and Liza. Okay, wala siyang the. Okay, kasi sa mga proper nouns po ito. Tao talaga. Isa lang si Maria, isa lang si Liza. Okay? So, hiwalay sila. R po siya. Okay? Anong singular ng R? Present tense ng verb na to be is po. Okay, alam naman po yata niyo yan, ano? Okay. Alright, next one. When the phrases expresses one idea, one meal, ito yung exemption po. Okay? Kung meron siyang end, pero yung meaning niya, one idea, one meal, one unit, or one department, the verb becomes singular. Usually, yung makilala yun. Halimbawa, combo meal. Okay? Rice and fish. Nasa menu yun. Combo meal yun. No? One meal siya. Then, is po yan. Research and development. It's a department. R&D. Okay? May mga companies may research and development. Good as one. If you're referring to that department, then it's is. Science and technology. Okay? Department of Science and Technology. Isang department po siya. No? Isang sangay ng gobyerno. Good as one po. Okay? So, titingnan nyo po ang reason behind kung bakit may end. Pagka ang context niya, magkahiwalay yung dalawa, then it's plural. Pero good as one unit po, it's is. Okay? Another one. Isa sa mga clue natin. Okay? Lumalabas po ito sa civil service. Okay? You still there, classmates? Minsan kinakabahan ako, baka wala na yung mga students ko. Andiyan pa po kayo. Okay. Another clue, number 4 po tayo. Okay? Compound. Ay, nagtaas ng kamay. Yes po, Inday. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan. Hindi garuta. Yes po, nagtaas kayo ng kamay. O nag-thumbs up lang kayo. Okay. Pag may tanong po kayo dito, okay, pwede naman dito. Ayan. Okay. Alright. So, paano po yung may or nor? Okay, nakikita natin yun dalawang entity na pagdudugtungan ng dalawa. Okay? Ano yun? Singular or plural? Okay? So, dalawa tapos sa gitna yung or nor. Okay? The verb agrees with the nearest subject. Yung pinakamalapit po sa verb. Okay? So, either the manager or, andito yung or, no? The manager and the staff. Okay? Either the manager or the staff, bakit ganito to? Agrees with the, is po ito, sorry ha. Either the manager or the staff. The staff. Or the staff. Oh, plural po pala. Akala ko isang staff lang. Are available. Yung staff po, ibig sabihin yung mga members ng staff are available. No? Either the staff, pero pag binaliktad siya, no? Either the staff or the manager is, magiging is siya kasi singular si manager. Okay, si verb, nakadikit sa manager. So, si verb, magdidepend yung kanyang number, or singular or plural, dun sa kadikit niya, which is manager. Okay? Neither the files nor the report. Ayan na yung nor. Okay? May or dito, may nor dito. No? So, yung files plural, yung report singular. Ano pong gagamitin na verb? Singular. Bakit po? Ang nearest na subject sa verb is singular. Pero pag binaliktad mo to, neither the report nor the files are. Okay po? Gets po Alright. So, pwede ring ito, not only but also. No? Not only the officers but also the chairman. Ganon din po yung rule nun. Okay? So, pag yung may makita kayong but also, no? Or, nor, but also, depende po yan sa mas malapit sa verb. Okay? So, in this case, the chairman is present. Okay? Pag siya, again, magiging plural po siya. Ayan. Alright. Next one. Intervening words or phrases. Okay? Phrases between subject and verbs do not affect the agreement. Sabi ko nga, merong mga sumisingit. Kanina may in-erase tayo, di ba? Okay? So, isa sa skill natin, tingnan natin kung pwedeng alisin siya sa sentence. Pag nakakapagpagulo siya, pag inalis nyo yun, parting yun sa sentence, at ganun pa rin yung meaning, then go pa rin yung sentence mo. Okay? Kumbaga, pampadagdag lang siya, pampaliwanag lang siya. Okay? Pero, yung structure niya, kung andun pa rin yung lumalabas na andun pa rin yung subject, andun pa rin yung verb, then, pwede na po yung gano'n. At least makakadagdag yun sa pag-judge nyo. Okay? So, example. The report, together with the attachments. Ayan, baka matempo kayo Sumagot kayo ng is submitted. Kasi yung the report together with the attachment. Okay, or was. Okay, baka matemp kayo. Ang plural po nito is were. Okay? Okay? Baka ang ilagay nyo po, were. Saan na ba yun? Okay? Kasi plural po ang were Okay? So, attachment, plural, baka ang ilagay nyo, past tense, were. No? Hindi po. Ang titingnan po natin dyan ay report. Yun po yung subject natin. Subukan nga natin alisin ito. Okay? The report was submitted. Okay, pwede. Andun pa rin yung sense niya, no? Okay? So, ibalik nga natin. So, dagdag lang sa sense together with the attachment. No? So, ang subject dito is the report. Another one. The applicant along with the parents is waiting. Okay? Lahat naman nagwe-wait, pero ang pinaka-importante, yung applicant. Hindi naman yung parents na nag-a-apply yata, no? Siguro sinamahan lang yung tao para mag-apply, no? So, is po, kasi si applicant, singular. Kahit ang parents, plural. Okay, baka matempo kayo, lagay nyo was. Are. Okay? Baka may lagay nyo po are, Okay? So, let's try to remove this one. Okay? That way, medyo maliliwanagan po kayo. Just in case po, pag andun na po kayo sa exams. Okay? The applicant is waiting. Okay? So, tingnan po natin. Ayan. Okay? So, isa po sa mga skill natin, malaman natin kung alin yung pwedeng tanggalin, yung na medyo makakapagpagulo sa atin. Pwedeng makapag-deceive sa atin. Ang CSE po, meron siyang mga traps. Okay? Talagang sasadyain nila na matempt kayong piliin yung maling answer. Okay? Kasi parang yun yung attractive Parang yun yung sagot. Okay? The document, including the revisions. Alin kaya dito? Revision ba or document? Document po. Okay? Isinabit lang si revisions. Pero document po yung subject natin. Okay? Another one. Always use singular. Ayun, ito pong mga clue words na ito ha. Each, every, everyone, anyone, neither, either, somebody, someone. Singular po sila. Okay? Always plural. Few, many, several, both. Okay? Everyone is attending. Each representative treated as singular po. Has. We know that singular of have is has. Present tense. Singular. Neither option, okay, is valid. Baka isipin nyo kasi neither option, may dalawang option, kahit alin dyan, hindi pwede. Pwede yun yung pumasok sa inyo, sa isip nyo po pero ito po yung rule. Okay? Always, always, singular. Okay? Pag each kasi, pwede nyong isipin na sa isang grupo, bawat isa sa kanila, marami sila. Oh, plural yun. Everyone, naku, marami yun. Neither, ibig sabihin, may tatlong choices. Okay? Or dalawa yung choices. Plural yun. Okay? Hindi po. Rule natin, always singular. Okay? Another one. Always plural po. Okay? Few, many, several. Okay? Pag may makita po kayong both, halimbawa, andito yun, ano? Few, many, several, both. Both are correct. Oh, both, dalawa. Pag both kasi, dalawa, no? So, plural siya. So, ang pipiliin yung verb is are. Several, madami yan, no? So, plural po. Many, many, plural po yun. Okay? So, yung susunod po, ito po, depende po sa of. Okay? It could be singular or plural, depende sa of. Okay, tingnan natin in context kung ano ang sinasabi ko. Okay? Ito mga words na ito, all, some, most, or none. Okay? Tapos may kasunod na of. Okay? Halimbawa, some of the food. All of the students. Okay? Most of the citizens. None of them. Okay? So, depende po kung ano yung kasunod sa of. Okay? Sila po yung magdidetermine kung singular or plural. Okay? So, pag may makita kayong some, katulad dito, may most, no? Depende po siya sa kasunod ng of. Okay? So, food. Some of the, ayun, tingnan nyo yan na yung food is spoiled. Okay? Some of the files are missing. Parehas some, no? Pero iba yung words na pagkatapos ng of. Yung isa food, yung isa files. Isa singular, isa plural. Okay? Most of the water. Water is uncountable, so singular po siya. Hindi po pwedeng maging plural ang water kasi ang dami nun, bawat patak ano, binilang. Hindi nabibilang po yung water. Okay? Nabibilang mo lang siya pag ilagay mo sa mga containers. Ayun, magiging plural yung containers. Okay? Hindi po yung water. Most of the water is gone. Okay? Most of the employees are. Employees, plural. Okay?